Well, I got my wood burner oven stove back together after some maintenance this afternoon. The inside of the internal part of the oven got choked up with creosote, and I had to clean it out by taking the little plates off the side to get in to clean it all out. So I've got that all cleaned out, and the chimney pipes all been swept, so hopefully I won't have any problems now. So this is my first burn, so I'll show you how I do it, because I was making the mistake. I was putting too much stuff in to start with, and it was smoking. That was causing the problems. So I've got some of this. This is called wood wool. You get it from the B&M store. You're supposed to use several of them to light the kindling, but I find it just one does, because it burns quite a lot. And what I do is I kind of stack the big bit of kindling each side like this. Oops. And a few smaller bits on top, making a kind of lattice, and make sure there's plenty of air spaces or smoke spaces so it can burn properly and not get too smoky. So I find that this doesn't take very much to start it off, so I don't know why I was always over stacking it. So I've got this, so that should be okay. So let's get enough room for here, and get the torch. Just for a couple of seconds there, it starts it off, and that's it. That's it started. Close the little windows now, let it drop. Now the stuff I use, this is called Hot Max. I get it from a local animal feed store and horticultural store. I like these because they're easily broken, although that one's not broken. You can break them up into half, into little bits. So it's the front's kind of steamed up because it does steam up slightly with the heat. The window steams up slightly. So let's see, as you see it's going now, so I'll just put a little bit here just to start it off, and that's all we need. And after a few minutes I'll put another one of these things in. Well, I'll maybe half that and put it at the back, each corner, and then after that I put this is stuff I get from the B&M store. It's compressed wood chips. So you get 12 of these for £4. I think they're quite good value. But these Hot Max logs are excellent. You get a big 20 kilo bag for just over £7, and 2 bags just does me a week. So hopefully with this first burn since cleaning it out this afternoon, it'll start to cook my sausage rolls and my tea tonight. So I got the kettle on ready for a cup of tea, so hopefully that'll start boiling away in the next 20 minutes. So hopefully that's helpful, and it seems to be doing quite well at the moment. So, and this little vent at the front closes it off, and but normally I use about half ventilation, because I find with the stove that if I have it on full vent, sometimes it comes out of there's no door seals on these things, so it comes out, so I always have it at half vent, so that draws it up the chimney a little bit more. Anyway, it seems to be doing fine.